everyone, so happy to see you here! My name is Reina and I'm a cosplayer. In my latest video I did makeup tutorial and cosplay transformation into Witch Ningguang. And now I'm going to show you how I did the wig styling. I'm actually cosplaying Witch Ningguang, which is a fan art version of the character, but the wig styling I'm about to do is basically the same as for the original version from the game. So let's jump in. So that's my wig for Witch Ningguang. It's from Uwowo cosplay, just like the costume. Actually, I wasn't entirely happy with this wig. It was too thin for my liking, and it also had this synthetic shine, so I decided to crimp it. First of all, I parted this wig horizontally into several layers and clipped them away on top. And I left two bottom rows of wefts at the bottom of the wig. Then I took the crimping tool and crimped the hair strand by strand. Usually cosplay wigs are heat resistant, so I set the crimping tool to 160 degrees Celsius and it was just fine. 140 degrees weren't enough though. I would highly recommend you to try crimping on bottom wefts first to see what temperature you need and also to make sure that your wig is indeed heat resistant, because who knows. After I finished the bottom part, I took one more layer from the top containing two wefts of hair, and then I crimped them strand by strand as well. And I did the same for the whole wig. You get the point. Oh, and here is a close-up look on hair crimping. Now let's move on to the bangs. First of all, I parted them the same way I parted the whole wig, and I left just a couple of bottom wefts and I clipped away all the rest of the wefts, and then I crimped the bangs strand by strand. After I finished the crimping, I split the bangs in two parts down the middle, and then I teased each part with a comb to add some more volume to the bangs and also to make the hairs stick together better. And then I also combed the outer layer of the hair to make it look smooth. Then I took the hair straightener and heated up the end of the bangs to make them less bulky and also to style the end of the bangs upwards. For this I had to hold the end of the bangs with my hand until it cooled down completely. And then I used my favorite got-to-be hairspray to fix the bangs. And also I had to use my hands to stick them together. When I first styled the bangs, they looked more like Ningguang's original hairstyle from the game, but on the Witch Ningguang artwork her bangs are actually more spiky, but ironically, after I wore this wig for the shoots, the bangs kind of got messed up and they started looking a bit spiky, just like they were supposed to, so yay for me, I guess. That's the power of luck. After I finished with the bangs, I took two strands of hair that formed the whiskers and isolated them from the rest of the wig. Then I also took two strands on both sides of this silicone skin imitation thing, isolated them as well and put them in front on top of the bangs, just for now. Then I took two strands of hair on the whiskers and clipped them behind. And after that I took these two strands of hair and put them behind the bangs so they would frame my face. And at last I took the two strands of hair on the whiskers and tied them behind with a thin rubber tie. The wig also came with this hairbow, but I'm not using it for my cosplay because what's the point? I have a hat. You can just take it and clip it to your wig right behind, like this. Also, I would highly recommend you to fix this bow with a hairspray just as soon as you receive this wig and take it out of the package, if you want to avoid this. Yeah. And also don't store it in this net, it would get messed up. Instead, maybe use some separate zip package special for this bow if you don't want to end up with this mess. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like on this video and also maybe subscribe to my channel. I really hope to see you in some other video of mine. But until then, have a nice day. Bye.